What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Chris Andrian YouTube channel. According to Social Blade, Chris Andrian YouTube have uploaded 78 video. He currently has 246k subscribers. After reaching 100,000 subscribers, he has been awarded with the silver play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 16,604,441. Well done, Chris Andrian. He is a YouTuber from Indonesia, and his channel type is people. He created his channel since June 19, 2008. The grade he got is B-, and his Social Blade ranking is 1,470,434. Subscriber ranking is 116,725. Video view rank is 346,366. He ranked 4,276th in Indonesia, and people rank is 17,434th. Next, the average on daily subs for Chris Andrian YouTube is around 7.63k, and daily view around 528,823. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Chris Andrian will be $2,000. Monthly income is $60,000. And yearly income will get $720,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $720,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $396,000. And that is how much Chris Andrian earned from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.